Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. And today's another video tutorial I'm going to share to you on how you can insert shapes in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. First is you just need to open your Google Sheets. So I have this mine from here. Okay, so once you're on your Google Sheets, all we have to do is we need to look at the ribbon at the top, and you will find all these tabs. Okay, so you'll find the file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, extension, and help tab. Now using these tabs, we are going to click the insert tab so that we can insert a shape in our Google Sheets. So click on the insert tab, and here you will find drawing. Click on drawing, and this window will appear. Then from here, you will find all these options, including shapes or shape. Click on that. And you have here shapes. So you just need to simply choose the shape that you want to insert into your Google Sheets. So if I want to insert this one, the can shape, I'm just going to click on that and then drag the plus sign symbol into this canvas or into this blank sheet like that. And you have here the fill color. So if you want to change the color, click on that. Now I'm just going to go with this color. And you also have here the border color. Click on that. And then I'm just going to go with black. And then you have here the border weight. You can simply choose from here, as you can see. And you have here the border dash if you want to change the style from here. Okay, so once done, you just need to simply click on save and close. If you are already satisfied with your shape, with the color, the border weight, and the border style, just simply click on save and close. And that's it. You have just added a shape into your Google Sheets. So that's how you can easily do it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.